How's it going? Welcome back to local channel. Today we're just gonna break down a trade I just recently made. Profit of $426 pre-market. Right now it's 9:24 before the market opens. But we took a beautiful trade and got some amazing results. So we're gonna break that down, show you guys the little profit over there. And we also got the live video, so we'll be sharing that with you today so you can get absolutely as much value as possible. So let's dive right in.
Oh, oh,
All right, so first, basically, uh, I was going through making a watch list and I recognized this stock. It was up like 50% when I first seen it. And I drew out the little technicals. If we go onto the daily chart, you see there's absolutely nothing. The only line I had drawn was this one line. So it's gapping up here is a quite recent stock, open 2017, it looks like there. So when I pulled up the 5-minute chart, the only thing I got really to work with was pre-market data. And as you see, that one line I drew was just some support that we broke down and we got short there as it broke under that level, and we just sold out. I think like 41 something. Yeah, we'll have that. 41 something we sold out. So it was a good move. Easy technicals, you could see it was getting pinched by that VWAB and the 920 there. And we got that break below and we able to get a big move since it was so volatile, and that was key for this stock was the volatility. It was up so high, right? So, and there's no really support or anything really holding up the stock at that price range. So when we recognize a short pattern, we got short. That's all that I want to say for right now. I'll leave you guys off with the live video recording, and yeah, have a good day. Hopefully you guys have a good trading day as well. I'm not going to be trading 9:26 right now. I think I'm good for the day, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you got value out of this video, or if you want to subscribe for other trading content and live streams. Catch you guys later.